Today, I have gotten three extra miners, and we're gonna be getting $1 million. Are y'all guys excited?
Miner!
Are y'all guys excited? Okay, everybody, to the caves!
Yay!
Hold on, I need more dynamite. I need more dynamite. Even as a child.
These guys, bro, I swear. Alright, we're gonna be trying to get $1 million and a lot of rocks. And we all have backpacks,
Even as a
grapplers,
child.
move around. And eventually, I'm going to be clearing out the entire board, upgrade board over there.
I missed.
Anyways, yeah. I swear, if y'all guys don't come right now.
Oh shit, he has a bomb! Run!
Okay. Everybody, we're gonna.
Bomb! He has a bomb! You got a bomb!
Okay, we need some people focused on mining and some people focused on grabbing stuff.
Baby miner!
I can smell you.
See,
Okay, everybody ready? Let's go.
Guys.
They're so dumb, I swear. This is why I hire these guys off the team, bro.
Stop.
This is what happens when you
I'm a miner.
when you don't have.
Not a player.
This is what happens when you don't have a lot of
Guys,
Did you just say, "Oh shit, there's a bomb"? Did he die? Okay, we're gonna be trapped here for a while. Okay, you pick up stuff with your backpack, okay?
I can't, I have dynamite. I'm living a miner. Oh god! Somebody has a freaking RPG in here.
Okay, let's go to the main mine area. Grab the stuff, bro. That's the main reason of what we're trying to do right now. I think. What a hit. Oh. Yeah, I'm playing my. If y'all guys didn't watch the last video, oh! We're kind of renovating our house. So, yeah. Yeah. Bro, I only have one gem, bro. So what we're gonna probably try to do is like, are y'all guys coming back or y'all being buffoons? Both. This video is just gonna become a solo video, bro. I'm gonna do the video from mining with Colton.
Yo, where are you?
Big boy mine area. I can hear him coming. I'm scared, bro. They're Okay, in the big mines area, there's a bunch of magma cubes flying around. I need your guys to come pick those up. They are so autistic.
Are you on the bottom floor?
I think I'm on the 3rd floor.
What's up?
Can you?
I don't have a backpack, but I do have a pickaxe.
Do you want to take my backpack?
I'll just yearn for the mine, bro. I yearn for the mine.
Alright, yo, bro, come here. I'm gonna give you a backpack.
Oh, this mimic yearns for the mines, bro.
Aren't movie's great.
I yearn for the mines, even as a child.
The Minecraft movie's kind of buns.
Yo, you need to run.
Isn't it weird that I've gotten gems more from the magma cubes than the actual gems themselves? I get them all the time. Ah! How'd you do that?
I got black stuff with the RPGs and all that.
Whoa! Alright, calm down. We need to do our stuff.
I'm gonna die!
Are we gonna do our work or no?
Get back here. You
Can
going
I
down?
use some? Guys, I
there's
only have
Spider.
this go bag. I just wish I had my RPG.
Bro, guys, go pick up the extra magma cubes. That was your job.
Oh shit, he's dead. He kind of died.
How dumb are these people, bro? I swear. Calm down, Mimic. My gosh, the Mimic's packing me up.
We should all team up and kill it.
Did Spike leave?
Well, he must have took my dynamite bag and left.
So he did leave.
Most likely, he stole my stuff and probably left.
Can
I
you
don't have
let me
my
take down that
dynamite
Mimic,
bag
bro? I
anymore.
swear.
Yeah, that's it.
Mimics are like the worst thing they added to the game.
If we ever use rockets now, like it zooms out.
Of course, it's a Mimic. Since when did I hit you, bro? I thought it was gonna be like a long video, bro. No, it's gonna be like 5 minutes, bro. I swear.
Yo, bro, where are you?
Who's that, Spike?
Hello, I'm here.
Finally. Okay, everybody, start work. Everybody, if I don't see you mining, I'm gonna kill you.
Whoa,
I
bud.
wonder where the lava all came from. Like, did it come from the lava place or
Came for your mom.
It came from your mom's butt.
is my mom dead?
Oh.
It came from your dad. He's dead too. Oh, there's a lot from my grandma. Came from your grandma.
Bro, I feel so bad for saying that now.
That's sad.
And I
He's
don't.
lying, by the way. You could.
Oh! I thought I wasn't gonna die. Bro, this is why I hate
Spiker
recording with
too.
other people.
Spiky boy.
I blew up Spiker.
I don't even think Spike's in the server.
Yeah, he
Why
is,
is my
he is.
headset not charging, bro?
He came to mourn you, and then I had a second bomb, so we got blew up by that one.
Oh, that's great. I need a, Hey, if you don't mind, I need some I need some, I need a grappler.
Oh, okay.
Cause, yeah, someone
kinda
killed me.
Broke. Yeah, I don't know who that was.
Wonder who.
Guys, one of my friends is gonna join, alright?
Alright.
Oh, better not be that one from before.
What?
Daddy, where's my bag at, Bluey boy?
I didn't take it, I threw it in the locker.
Alright, back to the mines. Dude, I'm gonna be shifting out through different people. Like, this is the Spike group. Because, you know, Spike's a YouTuber. Yeah, shout out Spike. Forgot his full YouTube name, but he's like, Spike. Big Spike. Oh yeah, if any of y'all know Spike's YouTube channel name, just type it down in the comments, actually. He never told me his channel name. And it would feel awkward to ask. As a child, I yearned for the mines. Oh, what? This area is so glitched. Bro, these ores like take like 3 hours to mine, it feels like, I swear. So weird. Bro. Are y'all guys coming or not? They were not. I'm guessing 30 minutes to an hour. Maybe like 45 minutes. Sounds. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, go in, why are you not picking up the, why are you not picking up the, ores? Because there's like an ore field after. Like, ore plan is to mine a bunch. Well, my plan, because they're not helping, was to yeah, guess just do it this. I like to come back. Oh yes, and when I hit 50 subscribers, I will be doing a live stream. I promise. I'll do a 50 subscribers live stream now. Suggestions. Bro, I swear, these people are just like interrupting me. Like, I know it's good that they're communicating with me. Bro, give me a gym. Oh, that's just great. This snake right there. I mean, that's. I'm dumb, bro. Yeah, I know what that room is. What? Guys, I found a new area.
What is it?
Space.
We're kind of, I don't really know where you are, so we're just trying.
Like, I found an area with these, like, weird rooms.
Weird what?
Everyone, I think I'm on the second floor. Everybody meet on the second floor of the... Meet at the second floor of the caves. Everyone, go to the second floor of the main cave.
I'm not really in the mood right now.
Is there anyone in the caves?
Yeah, there's some other people. But
Say me if you're in the caves right now. No one. Bro, I swear. We're not gonna swap groups. I'm not gonna get the extra group in here. I'm gonna open it to public. Oh. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. Okay. People join me. And I guess this is a good time. Anyways, so we're gonna be doing like a duping video. Yeah, and all that. Alright. I'm gonna look for a rift ore. Like those rifts. Oh. That's just great. Jockey's blocking it. Oh my gosh, thank you. Is there anyone in the server?
yeah, I'm coming. Yeah.
Everybody meet at spawn, bro. What are y'all doing?
Where you at?
We're supposed to be doing a
I don't
mining
know.
video. You know, guys are doing look outside video.
Screw this stupid money video. I learned that the other dude's friend stole my buddy's stuff, and now I want to get revenge.
Well, he's not gonna join back.
I'm probably
unless
gonna
he
have to
just
swap
wants to run
groups.
in my face and-
Maybe I'm gonna have
Even
to
more.
already swap.
Here, I got you a present though. This is my only one. This is my only one, okay?
No, I don't want your stuff. I still have some stuff. I still have enough stuff.
I just realized I just dropped my. I should have dropped my other thing. Jax. Jackson.
No!
My property.
Hey, Colin. I'm in the lobby, like, where I'm, like, killing everyone.
Jackson, we're supposed to be doing that video, bro.
No, I'm not doing the video.
Can you at least join the server?
They brought send me to Africa?
Wow,
that's
they
just-
both moving with lances.
This could be a part one, I guess.
Are they in? Are they in?
Yes,
Yes,
Hi!
Alright, join the server.
Horse. I cream in people's butt like it's a problem.
Okay, who took the grappler that was
this?
sitting right here?
Who the fuck are you?
Oh, it was mine.
They call me
It was yours.
Creamy
My bad.
Dicky.
I
You
just
got
grabbed it.
cream.
Okay, everybody, y'all ready?
I'm joking.
Everybody, let's actually mine, okay? Y'all ready?
Everybody gather around the
Hold up,
tree!
didn't you? Hold
Where's
up.
Spike?
Did you say
Where's
something
Spike?
about like those secret ores or something?
Those, yeah, the magma cubes. Those.
Oh my god, those are
What
the
were you
secret ores.
talking about? You said that you found the secret area and you were.
Oh, yeah, everybody find me. We're gonna go to that secret area.
Wait, what was there? What was there?
It was like a big platform. Spike, we're gonna go to a secret area. Come on.
Hold on,
I hate Spike.
Grappler, hold on, wait.
Wait for me.
Wait for everybody.
Where are you guys going?
Secret area.
Everyone
Spike's
go
gonna
to
try
the
to kill
front of
me, just so
mines.
you know.
I repeat, everybody go to the front of mines. Someone just blew up.
Hey guys.
Mike's trying to kill me because I called him an idiot.
Okay, is everybody ready?
Yeah, let's just leave Spike behind because
let's go.
he's trying to kill me.
Spike somewhere else.
Where's Spike? Well, I don't know where he is.
Ah! Everybody
Like, it'll
grab
make
these
more
swords.
sense if we know where Spike is. Those are battle words.
We're talking about the magma cube, Jackson.
I'll take that. You just go in there and you get stuck forever. That's fine.
Okay.
I don't get stuck.
Everybody
Yes,
follow
you do.
me.
Yeah, you can't see anything and I just get stuck.
So
That's the
Jackson,
bad thing about him.
Alright, everybody, let's
Is
go.
that you, Spike?
Did that stupid Spike kid?
Everybody, come on, let's go.
guys, it's this way. It's this way, guys. It's this way.
No, it's not.
What if it's not that way?
I'm getting hit by a
The
really fast.
platform.
I'm about
Oh,
to
Oh
die.
yeah, there is a new area. I forgot about that.
Okay.
What is it? You can go. You can
This
go over
way.
there. Look, guys, you can go over there.
Is that a new area?
Everyone, come to me.
Oh, this
I'm
area.
gonna die.
I'll go learn Angler in here.
Everyone come to the second floor of the mines. Okay. Alright, okay. Sorry guys, that was my mom. Come to the second floor of the mines.
Where's the secret area?
I'm trying to show y'all, but y'all guys are being dumb. Come on, this way.
If it isn't door,
It's
I'm
this
dead,
way,
man. Yeah.
stupids.
Cheese ball.
Yeah,
cheese ball.
stupid.
If it isn't door,
This way.
Everybody, this way.
Spike
came here.
So it's who's stupid and who's
Everybody, this way.
Who's stupid now?
Oh, there's cheeks.
Oh.
Him.
Alright, I'll be back.
They're stupid now.
Still you, Jackson. I hate dealing with these people, bro. Like, actually. Y'all would get the feeling of that, like, later on, if y'all guys do YouTube. Dealing with other people is the worst. Bro. Like, actually, like, you have to first up gather a bunch of people, which some people don't like doing recordings. Like, Jackson. Okay, stay there, I'm coming.
Connor, I think no one's staying for you.
This should be down here as well. Guys! Bro, where y'all guys at? Oh, I think they're in this. Oh, yeah, guys, this is what I was talking about.
Because she wants you to stop taking all the broccoli.
Anyone have a spare, Yo, guys, anyone have like a... Whoa, grow broccoli.
Not like taking all of your rare stuff and throwing it in the ocean.
Yeah, he's just so annoying, bro. I didn't do crafting, he's awesome. I'm like, bro, it's so annoying.
Who?
Black. You can't hear me, you keep walking. But he's so freaking annoying.
Anyone have like a spare pickaxe? I really need one. Anyone have a spare pickaxe? I need a spare pickaxe. Anyone have one?
You don't need a spare pickaxe. What do you need a pickaxe? Just set them up.
I'm going back.
Okay, I'm floating away. You know the risk of
Yo, guys. Ooh, cheese.
Grappler!
Okay,
Attack on Titan?
bro, this feels so weird to be bigger than the map. Anyways, I think that's gonna be the video, guys. We'll be doing live stream in a bit. Anyways, see you guys. Bye. Bye.
Cole, where are you?